Hi everyone, my name is Kangs, and today I want to do unboxing for this Green Lion. It's a wireless microphone. I just got it as a gift, so let's open and see whatever is in there. Meanwhile, it says that it have like a lifetime for 5 hours, if you can see here. That means you can use the microphone for around 5 hours non-stop. It have high sensitivity and clear timbre. I don't know what's that. I'm not like a sound engineer. So let's see what's inside and how it is. Yeah. Yeah. So it's look nice, quality, solid. Yes, as you can see, I think start here. This is the receiver. I think this is the receiver, the one that you plug into your phone or whatever the device you are using. And we have two microphones. It comes with two microphones. Still near. Yeah, these are the charging points over here. These are the charging points. Still, I did not. I believe this kind of it can charge from here, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I can see some terminals inside. Don't know whether there's enough light. Yeah, you can see this terminals inside, and if you look here, yeah, there are 3 terminals as well. So that means once you charge this one, you can charge the microphones from this pond. Let's have what's this? Yeah, this is the switch in here. I'll switch them on and see. Yeah, it's on and it's blinking. That means I think it's not connected. We have charging port here. That means if you charge it, the battery is full, you can record or you can use the mic for 5 hours non-stop. I'm yet to test it to tell you how true it is, but from the packaging and the device itself, it's look very solid, good quality. Yeah, it's so to turn off, I think, yes, I'm gonna put it back. All right, and see what's next here. Oh, here there's user's manual. There's user's manual here. Yeah, with all instructions are here. Okay, I'll keep it back. I'm so curious to test it and see or hear the sound, the sound quality of it. What's this here inside? This is a charger, type C charger, I believe. Yeah, it's come with 2 charging point. I believe one should go there, and the other one, I believe, I don't know if the receiver is chargeable or it should receive its battery or power from the device. But from my understanding or what I think, this one should charge this and this one should charge this, or maybe you can charge the 2 microphones simultaneously at the same time. Not very sure, but I think that's how it works. shortly I'll do a video and I'll let you guys you'll tell me from your side what you think about the sound quality of this, because it says okay, high sensitivity. That means it should have very sharp audio, and it says it's have a range of 20 meters from here. It's have a range of 20 meters. That means you can do a video from a very far distance and still get that good sound quality. Anything else? I think this should be a very good quality, because any brand that will give you 2 years warranty, that means they have confidence with whatever they are selling. It's a premium quality. So hopefully I'll not judge, I'll not say anything because I've not used it, but with this 2 years warranty, that gives you a lot of confidence. What else is here? It's have a input charge of direct current, that is 4.8, a battery of 60 mAh. I don't know what is mAh, I'm not an electrician, but I believe that's a battery capacity. And charging permanent battery 600 mAh. Battery life is 5 hours. Signal to noise ratio is 46 dBm. I don't know what's that as well, but I believe it's something good. It should be something good. They cannot write something bad. Yeah, that's it for now. Frequency response range is 20, is it underscore whatever, 20 kHz. I don't know what's that. Yeah, transmission is 20 to 30 meters. Yeah, that's it. So I'll use it. I'll do a video and I'll test the sound quality, and you guys you will tell me what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, and if you have bought this or you have used this before, please, it's Green Lion, please just let us know in the comment section what you found before you even go to test it. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you on the next video. Bye bye.